Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to make a form in Microsoft Office Access. So first you should open your Access database and follow these steps. To create a form you need to go to the Create tab here, and here you will find multiple uh, multiple sections concerning the creations of objects. So in my case, I will go to the form section and I will choose either the form wizard. So you will have to create your form step by step, or you can just choose the basic form that is given by Microsoft Access, and it will do all the job for you. So when you create the form, it will automatically create a basic form to your table. And of course, this type of form, it is totally customizable, and you can give it some uh, themes, or you can add some objects like buttons. For example, here let's add another button to scroll between records of our table. So let's go next and go like next record, have it like this, and add it here. So when I'm going to the view form view, when I'm going to click next, I will see that my form is scrolling between records of my tables. Also, you can add other buttons like go to the home, and here we will change the view to the design view, or you can have it the layout view and go to the form layout design tab and click to other button, and we can choose another one and have it go to the previous record, and let's name it previous just previous record like this, finish, and we will have it like this here, and I want only this one. So and here, and I go to the menu. This is the first record, that's why I can't go previous. So now I can scroll between records. So basically this is how you create a form in Access. Thank you for watching and goodbye.